Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to turn your phone into a webcam. So why would you want to do this? For one, newer smartphones generally have better cameras than the ones that are built into laptops, so this is a great option if you want higher resolution video feeds. And second, since this solution offers wireless connection via Wi-Fi, you can position the camera wherever you want. No more looking down at your laptop screen and getting that weird camera angle where people are looking up at your nose. And lastly, you can use this as a second camera angle in your meetings or streams. The software we'll be looking at today is Setepocam. It's available for iPhone and can connect to both PC and Mac. I'll show you how to do this in Mac today. Step 1. Install the app on iPhone. Let's open our App Store and search for Setepocam. We see two options, a paid version and a free version. Let's install the free version for now. Select the appropriate Apple account and use our fingerprint to allow install. Once the app finishes installing, we can select Open. We have a few different options to send the link of the driver to our computer. Let's choose the easiest option, which is AirDrop. Step 2. Install the driver on computer. Locate the AirDrop file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the zip file to open the package, then open the package file to install. Follow the prompts for installation, which is straightforward. Step 3. Connect phone to computer. Once the driver is installed in our computer, let's go back to our iPhone and give Setepocam permission to access our camera. Step 4. Set Setepocam as webcam on computer. Once the Setepocam app is active, we'll see a notification on the computer that the phone is connected. One quick way to check if the camera is properly set up as a webcam is to open up QuickTime. Click on the down arrow next to the record button and see if Setepocam is listed. Selecting it will show the camera feed. Now let's check in Teams next. Choose My Profile Picture, then Settings, then Devices, then Setepocam. Lastly, let's check in Zoom. Click on the gear icon, go to Video, then to the camera drop-down, then Setepocam. Now the free version is limited to 640 by 480 resolution and has other limitations. If you're serious about using your phone as a webcam, then I suggest upgrading to the Pro version at $799 to unlock all the features like getting Full HD 1080p resolution, ability to set manual focus, and other things. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and bye now.